Now, the Wabash Valley's most watched newscast continues with Storm Team 10 Chief Meteorologist Kevin Ortman, certified by the American Meteorological Society.
And we've got a pretty good light show going on here in Terre Haute right now. Lightning flashing all around, as you can see there on the Vigo County Federal Credit Union Tower Cam. Lightning, by the way, filling the atmosphere with negative ions. And so if you feel kind of a rush or a bit of excitement, that's one of the reasons, because negative ions tend to sort of uplift your mood and your spirit, make you just kind of up a little bit. And that's why people get excited, I think, during thunderstorms. Now, Montezuma has the river cresting on Sunday at 22.5 feet. In Terre Haute on Monday, Riverton on Thursday, Hudsonville on Wednesday, and Vincennes on Friday. That, however, will most likely change with the rain that we're getting tonight. It has rained a ½ an inch of rain here at the television station in about 20 minutes. And so it is just pouring down rain, and so these crest numbers will probably change, but at least it gives you an estimate about what to expect. Now, there is a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Putnam County in Indiana until 11:45 as these storms progress. Now, this is the leading edge of the storms here, and this is where we're getting the heavy rain and a lot of outflow. Behind it sinks into just a sort of a steady rain, and so if you're going to get really pounded by any wind or hail or whatever, I would think it would probably be right along this line here, and then it settles into just a soaker through the remainder of the overnight hours. And that's not making anybody happy, I know, but this is a cold front that's moving through, and that's why we're seeing this development of storms right across the line of this cold front. Here are the watches, the tornado watches, which continue for a portion of the News 10 viewing area. See how it has been diminished and actually canceled in Illinois. So the threat for severe weather in Illinois is dying down somewhat, and the threat for severe weather in Indiana will also begin to die down as this front continues to move through. We're not quite out of it yet, but it will be over the next few hours. So here come those storms that we've been seeing, and here's this cold front moving in. And so as this cold front moves through, it pushes out the storms ahead of it and the rain, and then allows some cooler, drier air to move in fact, some chilly air for tomorrow night, but maybe some clearing by tomorrow afternoon and partly cloudy by tomorrow night, and then sunshine by Sunday. And I don't see any big systems coming in after that. So if we do everything just right, if everything stays on target, it looks like what we'll have is a few days, actually, of some dry weather. Dew points are up a little bit, 61 degrees. That's the amount of moisture in the air. The higher the number, the better the chance for rain. Of course, that's what we're dealing with right now. Temperature 78 in Robinson, but 63 in Paris. Well, there's a difference for you. It's 58 in Moline and 76 in Evansville. Starting to get the picture here. Look at the wind speed, 17 miles per hour in Terre Haute, and a wind gust of 25 here in Terre Haute over the last 20 minutes. Overnight low tonight of 64, gusty wind. Yeah, you saw that. Scattered thunder showers mainly into tomorrow morning, 70, and then for tomorrow night, 41, chilly, a northwest breeze, and the 7-day forecast, clear sailing after we get through tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures climbing into the 80s by next week.